Got another radio from Jeff's collection. This is a classic. It's a Panasonic RF-728 AM and FM radio. About a 1965 vintage. This is the original box. He was able to get this off of eBay for $90. Let me open it up. Set it down. There's the radio, and you get one more thing, which I'll show you in a second. This is some kind of accessory pouch. I'm not sure for what. This is a strap. Again, I think this goes through there. Not sure. And let me put this down. And it comes, or came with, or he has, this carrying case, leather carrying case, but it's kind of shrunk, so to get the radio in and out, it's very difficult. So Jeff took it out for me. There's the bolt to hold it in, and I left it out because, like I say, it's a struggle getting in and out. So let's take a look at the radio. It is really heavy. Uses 4 AA batteries. Show it up to you real close. Got a unique tuning. This is the tuning dial, knob, whatever. This is the on-off volume. There's the telescopic antenna. It's pretty long, a little hard to get out of its little hiding place. I would say it is 30 inches. So let's try it out here. Let me get my camera down some so I can show you the radio a little better. Okay. I think my camera's focused back there. Let me do this. You got a focus camera? Hello, wake up. I guess it's not going to focus today. Okay. And I need to tilt it a little more. Hold on, let me. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Does not appear to have a backlight on the dial. So let's turn it on. I'm on. Oh, it has lots of selections on the back. This is the band selection, and then over here, and let me put the telescopic antenna down so I don't break it. Over here we have tone control and AFC. And here we have a jack for using it on AC. Maybe that little pouch originally contained the AC cord. He doesn't have the AC cord that I know of. Okay, back to the front. It does not have a carrying handle on the radio. It has one on the case I showed you.
Right, plus 1.5. Stupid Yankees. We're in the you can't be, but some of us are
not too directional there.
It's going to be a lot of.
Now I've learned from the last video I did about a week ago that I don't want to dwell on any music, whether it's music from the United States or other countries. I dwelled on a station that was a Cuban station and playing music, and I got a hit. So I got to be really careful about staying on a station that's got music. So typically now in the future, I'm going to do fast scans, and I'll just tell you overall what the reception was like when I did a slow scan. All right, here we go. See, I get a lot of Spanish stations here in Florida. Okay, I don't know if it's directional on AM or not.
20 minutes just to kind of chill out, and the office is kind of all wrapped.
Plenty of volume.
And
No wonder that's why the women hate me so much, because they think that they're done for the day.
Wanted to extend it from 6 as a sheet. I like that in every way.
I get excited about how no one can expose
Let's see.
or prosecute the failed
Yeah,
moral
it's
views,
directional.
failed policy views.
So it wants to be this way, like this.
Within the Democrat Party, like Tulsi Gabbard.
So
That kind of excites me.
I think it'll pick up a lot more stations when I got it in the right direction. Let's just leave it there and go on. Whoop, there's music.
In the late 90s,
Yeah, good reception.
the fathers.
Oh yeah, now it's picked up a lot of stations. Okay, we'll get off the music and go to FM and fully extend the antenna again, which, like I said, is quite long. And we'll work down the band and stay away from music. And now we don't have to worry about the directional.
Going on in other areas. The Leadership Coalition is doing their thing, and they have shoot a guy.
Gonna go fast over music.
No, because it is a great story you could count on.
Pick up a lot of stations. No problem.
That free couple. You done it, done.
Now, I am noticing something when I tune it. It feels like it's got a tuning string around the tuning knob inside, because as I rotate this, I feel a little click, and so I think it's binding a little bit. So let's quickly get through here.
That we're hooking up with these prizes. If you want your heart full, because by the way, results.
Yeah, it's picking up lots of stations.
Right, let's go figure out a way.
Okay, I think that's the Tampa station.
To the border. We've got to take this serious as we.
That's coming in clear.
For me as a Republican, I'm just willing
Yeah.
to stand up and say, you know what, as awkward as it may seem.
Pretty nice. As it says right here, AC and battery. I think it just needs the power cord for AC, which apparently he doesn't have, or he didn't get. And good condition. I don't see hardly any scratches or anything. Like I say, it's about a 1965 vintage. Very heavy. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Whoa. I don't know how many transistor it is, but it's heavy. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning these radios, and have a great day. Bye-bye.